Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. From today, we are going to start the new topic, the circulatory system. Let us see, student. First of all, what is meant by circulatory system? You know, student, all human beings, animals are need food and oxygen because we cannot live without food and oxygen. And in our body, each and every cells are required the food, nutrient, oxygen. Then how does we circulate the food, nutrient in our body? You know that, student. In our body, there are so many organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system. So the circulatory system is also one kind of the system which is present in our body, and with the help of heart, blood vessels and blood which circulate the nutrient, food, oxygen to all parts of the body, as well as pick up the waste product. Pick up the waste product which is produced in our body and throughout the outside. Understood, student? This system is called as the circulatory system. Understood what is meant by circulatory system? Means, see, in the digestive system you have seen it consists of the stomach, large intestine, small intestine, esophagus. Okay. Same, the circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. Got it? Let us see what is the definition of circulatory system. Circulatory system, it is the system consists of the circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, blood that circulate the blood throughout the body and deliver the nutrient and other essential material to the cell like oxygen and remove the waste product which is produced in the cell. This system is called as the circulatory system, and these systems are see, the blood is always stationary. It is not in the blood is never in stationary, it is always in motion. Blood always circulate whole body with in heart, arteries and capillaries. Got it, student? What is the definition of circulatory system? Circulatory system is consist of heart, blood vessels and blood, and which circulate the blood throughout our body and transport the nutrient and oxygen to each and every parts of the body, as well as pick up the waste product which is produced in our cell. Got it? What is the definition of circulatory system? Then, student, what is the fluid which is present in our body? There are three main fluids which are present in our body: blood, tissue fluid and lymph. These fluids are present in our body. Let us see one by one. First of all, we see the blood. You know, blood is a red color. Blood is a fluid. You know, fluid means liquid which can flow from one place to another place. So we call the blood is never stationary, it is always in motion. Understood? Blood color is a red. Means in your diagram, in your textbook, the given when the blood is present in the vein, it is blue color, and when the blood present in the artery, it is red color. But student, it is only given for your identification. When the bloods are present, see, look at this diagram. It is the arteries. These are the arteries. The bloods are red, and these are vein. The bloods are blue, but it is not real, student. It is only given to your identification. When the blood present in the arteries, that time the blood is a bright red color. Got it? And when the blood are present in the vein, that time the dark red color. in your diagram, in your textbook, given the blue color only for your identification. Understood, student? What is the blood? Blood is a fluid which is always circulate in our body. Blood, it is always in motion, and the taste of the blood is a saltish. Understood? What is the blood? Blood is very important to us. Why? Because the blood is a main function to transportation in our body. Let us see the function of blood. See, I told you the characteristics. First of all, I told you the characteristics of the blood. Blood is a one kind of the fluid which is always in motion, which circulate from heart to the body and body to the heart, heart to the lungs and lungs to the heart. Okay, it is always circulate. The color of the blood is a dark red when it is present in the vein and bright red when it is present in the arteries. Got it? We have to need 5 to 6 liter blood in human body. Got it? The taste of the blood is a saltish. Let us see what is the function of blood. I told you, student, the blood is very important part of the circulatory system. Because why? The blood is a transport to all important things which is required for us for a live. Got it? The oxygen is very important. The lungs, our respiratory systems, are inhales the oxygen, and it is very important to transport to all parts of the body. The oxygen is react with blood. Blood is present the hemoglobin. Maybe you know that what is meant by hemoglobin. It is the one kind of the protein which is present in the blood, and these hemoglobin react with oxygen and form the oxohemoglobin, and these blood are passing the oxygen, transport the oxygen to each and every cell. Got it? What is the function of blood? The oxygen from lungs to respiratory tissue in the body. Means beta, blood का क्या function है? They are transport the oxygen from respiratory system to all parts of the body, as well as the blood pick up the carbon dioxide which is produced in the cell. Means in the respiration, breakdown of glucose and release the energy, as well as release the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is harmful to us, so it is necessary to remove outside our body. Whenever the blood are deliver the oxygen to each and every cell of the body, as well as pick up the carbon dioxide and passing to the respiratory organs, and respiratory organs, when the exhalation, the carbon dioxide through outside. Got it? Next function of the blood is a substance, food substance from intestine to part. So you know that we need the energy. We are not getting the energy directly from the food. The small intestines are, means in the small intestines, the nutrient, means the food is complex food is converted into the simple form, and these foods are absorbed by the blood, and the blood transport the nutrient to each and every parts of the body. Because why? Each and every parts of the body is required the energy for the functioning. Got it? And the nutrient, we get the energy from the glucose. Waste product. You know that, student, there are so many metabolic reactions are occur in our every parts of the body. That time some waste product is also formed, like the nitrogen, nitrogenous base, as nitric acid, urea, uric acid, and these waste product is very harmful to us. So it is very necessary to remove from different parts of the body and send to the excretory system. Means kidney is the part of our excretory system. These part of the excretory systems are remove the waste product from the body, as well as there are so many endocrine glands are present in our body, and these glands secrete some hormones, and these hormones is very important to deliver the target organ. Got it? And these means the hormones होते बेटा salivary सॉरी थायराइड ग्लैंड, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, एंडो जो भी हमारे एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स है दे सिक्रीट सम केमिकल्स इट्स कॉल्ड एज अ हार्मोन्स, एंड हार्मोन्स आर रेगुलेट आवर बॉडी एक्टिविटी. So it is very important to passes the target organ through by the blood. The hormones are transported to each parts of the body, and another function is also the blood is also regulate the body temperature. Understood, student? What is mean by blood and what is the function of blood? Blood is the one kind of the fluid which is present in our body. It is very important fluid which is always in motion, which deliver the oxygen and nutrient to all parts of the body, as well as pick up the carbon dioxide and throw outside the body, as well as pick up the waste product from the body and send to the excretory system for purification of the blood. Understood, student? The function of blood, the main function to transportation of the body, which is means the transportations of the things which is required for a live. Understood, student? What is mean by blood? Next fluid in our body is a tissue fluid. Tissue fluid means, student, the fluid which is present means the fluid which is present in between the cell of the body. It is called as the tissue fluid. Means you know that, student, our body is made from cell, bunch of the cell to get called a tissue. Means see, this is the main cell. The bunch of the cell is called as a tissue. In between the cell have a space. In between the cell have a space, and this space occupy the fluid. The cell in between the cell have some fluid, and this fluid is called as the tissue fluid. Understood? In the higher classes you will have to study about that. What is mean by cell? What is mean by cell membrane? What is the tissue fluid? How does it transfer the nutrient into the cell? Means what is the tissue? Tissue already you have studied in the 7th class, so you know that tissue is the bunch of the cell, and in between the two cell have a space, and in that space have a fluid. This fluid is called as the tissue fluid. Got it? What is mean by fluid? Tissue fluid. Third fluids are present in our body is a lymph. Lymph is nothing else, student. It is also part of the blood. See how does? Means in our body the blood is circulating in the blood vessels. It is the smallest blood vessel is called as a capillary. See, this is one kind of the capillary. The capillary have some spores, some holes. When the blood are passing through the capillary, you know the blood have a two parts. The blood have a two parts. One is the plasma. Plasma is a liquid part, and another is the cellular part. In the cellular part is present RBC means red blood cell, WBC means white blood cell, and platelets. In the next video we will see details what is the plasma, what is the cellular part, but you keep it in your mind, student. The blood is consist of two parts. Plasma is a liquid part, and the cellular part means some cells which is present in the blood like RBC, red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Got it? It is the constituent of the blood. When the blood is flowing through the capillaries blood vessels क्या होते हैं बेटा? The capillaries and blood vessels is a tube-like structure. Got it? These tube-like structure are passing the blood, is transport the blood to all, circulate the blood to all parts of the body. These tubes have some pores. Pores means beta small holes होते हैं capillaries को. Got it? When the blood passing through the capillaries some liquid parts are come out from these pores. Means plasma is come out from the blood capillaries, as well as some WBC, some nutrient are also passing, means also come out from the capillaries. This fluid is called as a lymph. Got it? Because it is also part of the blood, and the fluid is contained in the lymph vessel and lymphatic organ. Means another blood vessels, means another vessels, lymph vessels are present. They are carry this drainage and transport to the lymphatic organ. Lymphatic organ like a tonsils, spleens, these are a lymphatic organ. These store the lymph. अंडरस्टूड? लिम्फ क्या होता है? लिम्फ कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, जो ब्लड है, whenever the blood is passing through the blood capillaries को कुछ holes होते हैं, small, and the plasma is a liquid part. These liquid part and WBC are come out from the blood capillary, and this liquid is called as a lymph. These lymph, again another circulatory system is also present in our body. It is called as the lymphatic system. It consists of the lymph vessel and lymphatic organ. This lymphatic system is carry this remaining drainage blood and again transport to the heart. Understood, student? In this now you don't have to detail study about that. The lymph, you just keep it in your mind. Lymph means a liquid which is come out from the blood capillaries, and these liquid contained in the lymph vessel and lymphatic organ. Understood, student? What I taught you in this video? I taught you what is the circulatory system, the definition of circulatory system, what are the fluids which is present in our body, blood, tissue fluid and lymph. Blood is very important. The blood is consist of the two parts, plasma and cellular. Blood is very important to us because the main function of blood to transportation. Understood, student? Let us see the last point of this. See, means the circulation of blood. Look at this diagram. See, student, this is our heart, this is our lungs, and these are the blood vessels. The blood are circulate in our body. There are two types of the system: closed vascular system and open vascular system. Closed vascular system means in our body the blood is circulate in the tube-like structure. I told you, in our house the water system, the water is passing through by the pipeline. You know pipeline. These like pipelines are present in our body, and with the help of this pipe the blood is circulate in whole body. This is called as the closed vascular system. Means see, in our body the blood is circulate from heart to the all parts of the body with the help of arteries, capillaries. Again the veins are carry the deoxygenated blood and passing through the heart. Again heart is send the blood to the lungs for the oxygenation. After oxygenation, the blood is again returned into the heart. This oxygenated blood again passes to the all parts of the body. Means it is the closed circulatory systems of the blood are present in our body. But some small insect, like small insects, small animals, they have no like that system. They have no blood vessels like us. Their blood is circulate openly in the space of the body. This is called as the open vascular system. Got it? The circulatory system, there are two types of the circulatory system: closed vascular system and open vascular system. Closed vascular system is what, student? The blood is a passes whole body through the blood vessels. This type of the circulatory system is a closed circulatory system, closed vascular system. And some animals, small insect, their blood mostly flow on through the open space. This type of the circulatory system is called as the open vascular system. Understood, student? What is mean by the circulatory system? What is the fluid? And how does the two types, the blood is circulate in the closed and open. We have seen what is the main function of the blood. The next topic we will see in our next video. Thank you, student.